If you're looking for ways to save money while shopping online, you might have come across RebateKey. It's a cashback platform that promises huge discounts and even 100% rebates on certain products. But does it really work? And is it worth your time? In this video, I'll walk you through my experience with RebateKey, how it functions, and what you should watch out for. RebateKey works by connecting shoppers with sellers who offer rebates on various products. After purchasing a product at full price, users submit their order details and receive a partial or full cashback refund later. The idea sounds great. Who wouldn't want to buy products and get their money back? But there are some important details to consider before jumping in. First, creating an account is easy. You sign up, browse available deals, and claim the ones you want. The platform provides clear instructions on how to purchase products to qualify for the rebate. But here's the catch. You don't get your cashback instantly. Most rebates take around 35 days to process, and some users have reported delays or issues with receiving their money. Another thing to consider is the reliability of sellers. While many sellers honor their rebates, there have been complaints of unresponsive sellers or rejected claims. Unlike traditional cashback programs that automatically track your purchases, RebateKey requires manual proof of purchase submission. If you don't follow the process correctly, you might not get your money back. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiftMe, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another factor is that RebateKey primarily offers rebates for Amazon and Walmart products, which is great if you frequently shop there. However, the selection of products varies, and many deals are for lesser-known brands. If you're looking for specific name-brand items, you might not find them here. Payments are another consideration. RebateKey pays users via check, PayPal, or bank transfer, but only after a certain threshold is met. This means you may need to accumulate multiple rebates before you can cash out. Some users have found this inconvenient, especially when waiting for smaller amounts. There's also the question of whether RebateKey is sustainable long-term. The site relies on sellers offering rebates to promote their products. But if sellers stop participating, deals could become scarce. Users should be prepared for fluctuations in available offers. Overall, my experience with RebateKey has been mixed. It's a great way to score discounts if you're patient and follow the rules. But it's not a guaranteed or instant cashback solution. If you don't mind waiting for your rebates and keeping track of your purchases, it can be a useful tool. However, if you prefer automatic cashback and faster payouts, other cashback programs might be a better fit. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and money-saving tips.